Good morning. I am Bhuvneshwari from St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Cuddalore. In my previous video, I have discussed about the meaning, definition, the objectives, and the importance of controlling. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss about the types of control. So, basically, there are three types of control. The first one is feed forward control, the second one is concurrent control, and last one is feedback control. The feed forward control, it is also known as preliminary or preventive control. This is accomplished before a work activity begins. They also make sure that the proper directions are set and right resources are available to accomplish this control. That is, this is based upon the principle that prevention is better than cure. So this control is future oriented control. So before the problem arises, the basic objective of this control is to prevent it. This, for example, inspecting the raw materials to ensure the quality of output, and this kind of control is also very popular in airlines. They go for preventive maintenance activities to detect and also to prevent the structural damages which may result in disasters. These controls are evident in the selection and hiring of new employees also. It helps in taking action beforehand. The next control is the concurrent control. This focuses on a present. It is what happens during the work process. This is sometimes called steering control also. This control is exercised on the activities that takes place to ensure that they are consistent with the standards. The activities are consistent towards these standards. Here they monitor the ongoing operations and activities to make sure that things are being done correctly, that is as it is planned already. And for this, actually this is designed to ensure that the employees' activities produce the correct results and also to correct the problems. Suppose if there is any problems, and because the project may be costly also, so before there is any mistake carried out, it can be corrected to avoid the losses. For example, in case of computer typing, if the spelling is wrong or the construction itself is incorrect, the program immediately alerts the user. And many manufacturing operations also include devices that measure whether the items being produced meet the quality of standard. And for this, the other some of the examples are like a showroom manager monitoring his salesperson whether he is responding to the customers properly. Since here the control is exercised while work is being performed, so that if there is any deficiency, it can be corrected at the initial stage itself. The next one is the feed forward control. Feedback control. It is also known as post action or output control. This is the most common type of control. This results of completed activities are analyzed and the deviations are pointed out to enable taking corrective actions. And they take place after an action is completed. This control takes place after an action is completed They focus on the end results as opposed to inputs and activities. This control is used when feed forward or concurrent is not possible or very costly, or even when exact processes involved in performing a work is difficult to specify in advance. There is twin advantage in this feedback control. One is that the meaningful information is received with regard to planning efforts, and the other one is feedback control enhances the employee motivation. The example for this can be, suppose in case of regular absenteeism of an employee, the manager can ask for an explanation to the employee, or he may counsel him. Here the advantage is it provides information regarding the effectiveness of planning, and the disadvantage may be the deficiencies and deviations can only be measured but cannot be corrected. So these are the three types of control. Apart from this, there are other types of control. The first one is mechanistic control. This is an important part of the bureaucratic management. This is a formal method of exercising control by using the extensive uses of rules and procedures, top-down authority, and so on. The next one is organic control. This involves the use of informal methods for preventing and for taking correcting deviations. It includes flexible authority, loose job descriptions, individual self-controls, etc. The next one is the market control. This involves the collection and evaluation of data related to the sales, costs, profits for guiding the decisions and for evaluating the results. So these are the various types of control. So this control is both useful and necessary. So with this I would like to control I would like to conclude my topic on control.